Deleting text. Now that we have chosen a particular perek, we can now delete the unnecessary text in order to leave us with the particular Mishnah that we want to learn. On the right hand side, click on the Divide button, which will open the Divide toolbar. In order to only have the first Mishnah on its own, first we need to put the cursor before and after the Mishnah and click on the top Divide button. Once we have divided the text, we can now delete the text before and after the Mishnah. To do so, we need to select some of the text in the section we wish to delete, and then click on the Select Section button, and then click on the Delete button, which now appears. We can repeat this process on any text we wish to delete.